Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. I'm right here doing another unboxing and review of the FriFun iPhone 10 wallet case. This is another wallet case. My previous one, in the previous video, had broken, so I got a new one. What broke was the case part. The wallet part still works just fine, but I wanted to get the whole thing. So, as I came across this, so let me go ahead and open this up. Comes with a piece of leather. I guess that's their logo. Put that to the side. And here's the wallet case itself. Styrofoam. Now, just like the other videos I've done, this part is a magnetic. This is the actual case part, which is a leather on the back, which has metal. Magnets in it. And again, see, pretty sturdy, doesn't fall off. I'll try it again once I put my phone in it. The reason I got this is because this actually is a better wallet as well. Like, I can actually put this in. This is actually an actual wallet compared to the other thing, which is once you remove your case out of it, it kind of looks kind of weird. But anyways, the other one didn't really have a spot for cash, whereas this one does. As you can see here, you open it up. That's where your cash can go. And, slot for ID and then cards, and also slot here for cash or cards, however you want to do it. Let's go ahead and put my phone in this thing. It's an iPhone 10. Snaps right in. Has a cutout for the vibrate switch. Has the raised buttons for the volume and then the raised buttons for the power. And it wraps around the whole phone, whereas the other one, case that I had, there was a cutout here and a cutout there and a cutout there, which kind of didn't really give it full grain protection. So, as you can see there, it still has the little slots for the speakers and the mic and the lightning adapter. So let's go ahead and, it snaps right on. It's magnetic and it's still pretty sturdy, still pretty strong. I don't have to worry about it slipping out. And close that up, and there it is, a little butterfly logo of the company. I kind of like this one a little bit better than the one I had before. And again, I just like this because it has a slot for cash. I don't really keep a lot of cash, but when I do like to keep it in this little pocket. Again, you can even use this as a wallet. This magnetically closes too, so it stays closed. However, once the phone is in, it doesn't stay closed. That's the only downside about it, but whatever. Anyway, that's it. That was the FriFun iPhone case, and FriFun iPhone wallet case, which is a FriFun. I got this one from Amazon. It was like around 30 bucks, but I got a deal on it, so it was like 27 and some change. So, anyways, if you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, I appreciate you watching anyways. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time.